Hello, and welcome to this App Studio how-to video, where we'll show you how to set conditional styling on a row or field in a report using the traffic lights feature. This feature lets you apply styling in the output when the field value meets criteria that you specify. Use the traffic lights feature from the Reports tab to create conditional styling that applies to the whole row. Or you can use the traffic lights feature from the Appearance tab to create additional styling that applies to the column data fields alone. Let's demonstrate this option. From the Appearance tab Traffic Lights drop-down menu, select Add or Edit Conditions to open the Conditions List dialog box. Click New to create a new traffic light condition. You can have multiple conditions applied at once. The Edit Condition dialog box is where you can create a new condition. In the Condition field, a default name is specified for your new condition, which you can change as required. Configure your new condition to indicate that revenue is greater than $5 million. Click OK to save your new condition and close the Edit Condition dialog box. Notice that the new condition is now listed in the Condition List dialog box. Click OK. Select your new condition from the Traffic Lights drop-down menu. Use the Style group to configure styling properties for it. Since you are interested in identifying revenue that is greater than $5 million, set the text color for this data to green and set the font style to bold. Run the report. Notice that any values in the revenue column that are greater than $5 million are now colored green. This makes it easier for you to locate critical data at a glance, make informed decisions, and take the appropriate action as required. If you wanted to use the same condition to highlight the entire row, use the same procedures we just reviewed, except use the Report tab traffic lights instead of the Appearance tab traffic lights. In this example, we have used the Traffic Lights option on the Report tab, so any rows where the revenue is less than $2,000 is highlighted in pink. To learn more, visit the WebFocus 8205 knowledge base, where you can search all technical topics and videos.